Vinari OS 5.0 review. So you've been hearing the buzz about Vinari OS 5.0, the sleek AI-powered operating system that claims to blend speed, style, and intelligence better than anything else out there. But is it really worth switching to? Let's break it down. Vinari OS 5.0 is the latest versions of the futuristic operating system designed to merge AI integration with everyday computing. From smart task management to real-time personalization, it feels less like an operating system and more like a personal assistant built right into your desktop. This update brings a completely redesigned UI, faster boot times, and deeper cross-device syncing, making it one of the most user-centric systems on the market. You'll notice the new Smart Dock immediately. It learns your habits and suggests apps based on what you're doing. The AI Hub is also more powerful, giving you voice commands, predictive scheduling, and automated file organization. Multitasking is smoother, battery optimization is smarter, and there's even a focus mode that automatically blocks distractions when you need to get work done. Let's talk about what's great first. Vinari OS 5.0 is stunning. It's visually clean, lightning fast, and packed with useful AI tools that actually feel helpful, not a gimmicky, but it's not perfect. Compatibility with some older software can still be an issue, and while the AI learns quickly, it can sometimes make weird suggestions early on. Plus, you'll need a solid internet connection for the better experience. So, should you upgrade to Vinari OS 5.0? If you love modern design, smart automation, and the idea of your computer learning how you work, absolutely. It's a huge leap forward in how we interact with our devices. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and drop a comment below. What's the one feature you'd want in your dream OS? Thanks for watching!